This year, Samsung has plans to source chips from 2 suppliers for its upcoming Galaxy S24 series smartphones. According to rumors, the vanilla S24 and S24 Plus models will be equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chip in Canada, China, and the US. However, other markets can expect variants with the Exynos 2400 chip. On the other hand, the S24 Ultra is said to feature only the Snapdragon variant. This Samsung exclusive Snapdragon chip is rumored to offer performance compared to the standard 8 Gen 3 processor. According to information from Tipster Ice Universe, it is speculated that the GPU of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy processor used in the Galaxy S24 series will have a clock speed of around 1000 MHz. This clock speed is likely higher than what we find in flagship phones of Android smartphone brands that use a stock version of Snapdragon's 8 Gen 3. Although Qualcomm has disclosed details about CPU clock speeds in their 8 Gen 3 processors, but they have not revealed information about GPU clock speeds for their Exynos 750 GPU. However, it is anticipated that inside the 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chip, there will be higher clock speed for gaming performance compared to its stock counterpart. This particular chip will also find its application in both the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and the Z Fold 6 models too. Apart from this, we haven't come across any photos of the S24 Ultra, but there have been a few CAD renders based on leaked dimensions and informed speculations. The upcoming flagship from Samsung is anticipated to have a design compared to its predecessors with a squared-off frame and distinct circular cutouts for the rear-facing camera setup. Some purported color options for the series surfaced a couple of weeks ago, and now we can catch a glimpse of how the S24 Ultra might appear in the rumored 4 colors and 3 exclusive shades, thanks to fan-made renderings shared by Phone Arena. To recap, it's rumored that the S24 Ultra will be available in gray, violet, and yellow. Additionally, Samsung may offer 3 colors through its online store: orange, light blue, and light green. Meanwhile, there's another report confirming that the lineup will launch earlier than anticipated. According to a report from SBS Biz, Samsung plans to unveil the S24 series on January 17, 2024 in San Francisco, US. The company has reportedly finalized its arrangements for the launch event and has already begun making preparations. Although the Galaxy Fold and Flip 5 received responses during the order phase, their sales apparently fell below expectations. Hence, to make up for lower sales, Samsung is launching the S24 series earlier than usual. It is also a tactic that could be aimed at keeping competition from Apple's iPhone 15 lineup in check. So, what are your expectations from upcoming Galaxy S24 lineup? Share it down below in the comments section, and for more updates you can check out our channel. See you in the next one. Peace out.